Okay, it's been a little while since I did a video, so I thought I'd give you guys a little update. It's a beautiful day today. Yeah, something interesting. I had put some of the soil from the greenhouse in these beds out here, and they started growing mushrooms. There's none there right now, but they started growing wine cap mushrooms. So it looks like the soil from the greenhouse still has mushroom spawn in it, and that's why these wine cap mushrooms came out. This is another bed that was growing mushrooms. They've all been picked though. And on Facebook, OU812 Aquaponics page, you can actually see some pictures of that. Now it's really warm today. It looks like it's almost 98-ish, 97 degrees. Pretty warm. Doesn't feel like that. It's nice and it's a gorgeous day today. So let's go in here and see what's happening in the greenhouse. Okay, so you can see that I chopped down all the microgreens. This is just what's left over. This all gets recycled and turned into compost. And of course, this is the bed that now is empty because of all the microgreens have been taken out. This bed over here is also empty. Here's the mint biofilter. Right now this is working well. This is what keeps the pool water clean when I don't have plants. And you can see the fishies swimming around. Now this is a mini greenhouse that I had in the breezeway that I've brought into the big greenhouse. And this is where we're going to be growing some oyster mushrooms. As you can see, they're colonizing really nicely. And underneath there, you can see there's a whole aquaponic bed of oyster mushrooms. So these guys are going to be producing pretty quickly. Lots of oyster mushrooms. Over here is a bed that's filled with wine cap mushroom spawn. Right now it's got straw and sawdust mixed in. And I've already gotten a bunch of flushes of wine cap mushrooms out of this one, but I think there's a lot more to go. This is just a mulberry bush bed that is just sitting there. I'm going to see if I can incorporate some mushrooms in with this bed. And then of course, here we have the fish tank. Here's another grow bed. Let's see, what do we got in here? Oh, it's cooler in here. It's only about 80 degrees or 82 or so. So it looks like the greenhouse is providing some good shade. This is the worm composting bin, which I'm not going to open, but I just restocked it with worms, and that's where I compost. And then of course, here are the fishies, and I'm going to take a dip and hopefully you guys can see. Okay, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look forward to you guys watching the next video. Take it easy.